Good afternoon, children. In the EVS part 2, we have started the lesson number 2, that is work of the sense. Okay, and even we learn each and everything about it. So let's go through it. Virtues taught to the people by sense. The virtues that we learn, that are compassion, non-violence, charity, equality, and the brotherhood. Then the message given by the sense: no one is inferior, no one is superior, all are equal. Then we learn about Sri Chakradhar Swami. Here you can see the picture of him. Sri Chakradhar Swami was a prince. He belonged to Gujarat. Then he came to Maharashtra. He established a sect, that is Mahanubhav. He wrote a book, that is Lila Charitra. Then we learn about the second sant, that is Sant Namdev. Here you can see the picture of a Sant Namdev. Sant Namdev was the devotee of Vitthal. Devotee, that means bhakt hona. So he was the devotee of Vitthal. He lived in a village, that is Narsi. He composed numerous songs. Composed yani likhna, numerous and many songs, and performed kirtan. He spread a message of humanity. That is, in Hindi we call it as insaniyat. Then he instilled desire to protect their religion. Then today we learn about Sant Naneshwar. Sant Naneshwar belonged to Apega. That means Sant Naneshwar was from Apega. His brothers' name were Nivruttinath and the Sopandev, and he has a sister Muktabai. Sant Naneshwar was a son of सन्यासी. सन्यासी दैट मीन्स द पर्सन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हु टुक अ सन्यास, यानी जो पहले सन्यास लेते और उनके बाद में हिज फादर टुक अ सन्यास एंड देन ही रिटायर फ्रॉम द वर्ल्डली लाइफ, यानी वो जो संसार होता है संसार में से वो बाहर आ चुके थे. बट आफ्टर दैट अगेन ही केम बैक टू हिज फैमिली. ही रिटर्न होम एंड स्टार्टेड लिविंग विथ हिज वाइफ. देन देयर 4 children were born afterwards. Because of that, the northern-minded religious leaders did not think it right that a sannyasi should have a children. यानी सन्यासी कुछ बच्चे नहीं होना चाहिए. ऐसे narrow-minded लोग, यानी narrow-minded that means the people those who were of a small mind. उनको ऐसे लगता था कि सन्यासी को बच्चे नहीं होना चाहिए. And that's why people persecuted these children and banished them from their community. बैनिश करना यानी उनको अपने समाज में से उन्होंने बंदी बना दिया था. वो उस समाज में उनको नहीं ले रहे थे. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ बैनिश. ओके, उनको समाज में नहीं लिया जा रहा था. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ बैनिश्ड. सो वंस व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन ज्ञानेश्वर वेंट राउंड द टाउन, यानी ज्ञानेश्वर शहर में गए थे आर्म्स लेने के लिए. ALMS आर्म्स. आर्म्स यानी खाने के लिए दूसरे घरों पे जाके भिक्षा लेके आना. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज आर्म्स. ही हैड टू लिसन टू एब्यूसिव लैंग्वेज, यानी उनको बहुत एब्यूसिव लैंग्वेज सुननी पड़ी. एब्यूसिव दैट मीन्स द लैंग्वेज विच इज़ नॉट अ गुड. सो यंग ज्ञानेश्वर वॉज डीपली पेन, यानी ज्ञानेश्वर तभी बहुत यंग यानी छोटे थे. सो ही वॉज डीपली पेन. ही वेंट इन द सॉरो, यानी उनको बहुत बुरा लगा था. So he locked himself in his hut to grieve over his lot. और फिर उन्होंने अपने आप को अपनी झोपड़ी में बंद करके ग्रीव करना. दैट मीन्स इंटेंस जो सॉरो रहता है उसको बाहर निकालना, यानी रोना, दुख जो होता है उससे बाहर निकालना. ओवर दिस अलॉट. And whatever he suffered in his young age, he did not want the people should suffer from this. यानी लोग वही सारी चीज़ें सहन नहीं करें, इसकी वजह से he spread the message. He gave equal treatment to all. Help those in the troubles and allay their misery. Help those in the trouble. The trouble that means the people who is facing any problem. जिनको कुछ ज़रूरत है, जो किसी संकट में है, यानी किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स है, सो सॉल्व करना है, उनको हेल्प करना है. एंड अलाई दैट मीन्स रेड्यूस, कम करो और सॉल्व करो वो प्रॉब्लम को. देयर मिजरी दैट मीन्स देयर सफरिंग्स और द पेन्स. ओके, अलाई दैट मीन्स सॉल्व और द रेड्यूस, एंड मिजरी मीन्स पेन और अ सफरिंग्स. ओके, एट दैट टाइम पीपल were used to speak in the Marathi language. They can read Marathi language. Ordinary people can speak and use Marathi language for their everyday work as their everyday language. Okay, दैट टाइम ऑल द बुक्स वर रिटन इन संस्कृत, बट उस समय पे सारी बुक संस्कृत में लिखी गई थी, and the people were not able to read the Sanskrit. So Naneshwar wrote his outstanding book Naneshwari in Marathi. So Naneshwar ने जो book लिखा, that is Naneshwari, he wrote that in the Marathi language. Then Naneshwar at Alandi near Pune, he took Samadhi. Then we are going to learn about Santa Eknath. Santa Eknath lived in a Python. Here I will show you the pictures of them. He is Sant Naneshwar. Here you can see in the picture he is writing Naneshwari. Here you can see the picture of Sant Eknath. Sant Eknath lived in a Python. He preached way to reach God was through Bhakti Marga. So he told the people that you can reach to the God by the Bhakti Marga, by worshipping the God. He wrote numerous religious songs. Wrote yani likhna. He wrote numerous yani many religious songs, Abhanga, Ovis and Bharudas. Okay. One day what happened? Sant Eknath was going for a bath on a river, on a Godavari river. So that time he heard the voice of one young kid. यानी एक छोटे बच्चे का उन्होंने आवाज़ सुना. So he rushed to him and looked around for the child's parent, and he picked up that child in his hand, wiped his tears, यानी उसकी आँख में से आंसू पूछे, and he took that child at his home. Okay, यानी उन्होंने उस child को अपने घर पे पहुंचा दिया था. So such a way Eknath impressed the message of love and equality on the minds of the people. यानी लोगों पे उन्होंने इक्वालिटी का मैसेज स्प्रेड किया. Then Sant Tukaram. Sant Tukaram was from Dehu. Dehu is near Pune. Sant Tukaram preached to the people about the virtues of pity, forgiveness and the peace of mind. Pity that means sympathy यानी दया करना, forgiveness यानी लोगों को माफ़ करना, and a peace of mind यानी मन की शांति. So he spread this message among the people. Then he gave them the message of equality. Sant Tukaram, he drawn in the river Indrayani all the record of the loan papers. यानी संत तुकाराम के जो grandfather थे, he gave loan to the people, but लोगों को तकलीफ नहीं होना चाहिए. So he took that all the papers and drawn यानी डुबा देना. River का नाम था इंद्रायणी. In the river of Indrayani, he drawn all the record of the loan papers. Even today all over Maharashtra we hear the people proclaiming ज्ञानबा तुकाराम. यानी लोग हमेशा अभी भी ज्ञानबा तुकाराम के नाम से भजन गाते हैं. Okay, so Sant Naneshwar is called as a Gyanba and Tukaram. So Tukaram Granth Gatha is read in every household. Now Sant Ramdas. Sant Ramdas was also belonged to the period of Shivaji Maharaj. As we know, Jai Jai Raghuveer Samarth was a glory, यानी glory to be the great Rama. Jai Jai Raghuveer Samarth यानी राम नाम का वो जप करते थे. And always he used to take this. He was born at a jam on the bank of the Godavari river. And his birthday falls on the Ramnavami. यानी उनका बर्थडे जो आता है वो रामनवमी को आता है. His real name was Narayan. What was his real name? यानी उनका जो सच नाम है वो क्या था? नारायण था. But he used to take God Ram's name, and because of that then he became the famous as a Samartha Ramdas. And then he preferred to call himself as a Ramdas. Ramdas, that means the servant of Rama, यानी राम का servant. Then he wrote a book that is a Das Both. Then he wrote Manache Shlok. Shlok means छोटे छोटा स्टांजा जो 4-4 लाइन का रहता है वो उन्होंने लिखा था. ऐसे कई सारे श्लोक्स उसमें हैं मनाचे श्लोक में. Then he worshipped Hanuman, and to popular the worship of his strength he raised the temples of Hanuman, the god of strength. So लोगों में स्ट्रेंथ होनी चाहिए, उसके लिए उन्होंने हनुमान का टेम्पल बांधा जो स्ट्रेंथ देता है. Then he taught them to organize themselves and fight against the injustice. और फिर उन्होंने लोगों को ऑर्गेनाइज होने के लिए कहा, यानी एक साथ आने के लिए कहा टू फाइट अगेंस्ट द इनजस्टिस, यानी अन्याय के विरुद्ध लड़ने के लिए. सो दिस वॉज द वर्क ऑफ द सेंट. दे ब्रॉट अ ग्रेट अवेकनिंग अमॉन्ग द पीपल, यानी उन्होंने लोगों में जागरूकता लाई. अवेकनिंग यानी जागरूकता. ओके, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ देम पीपल रिगेन द कॉन्फिडेंस, यानी लोगों में वापस से कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया. एंड दैट हेल्प शिवाजी इन हिज फाइट फॉर स्वराज.